Well, we're hiking the Golden Canyon trail. This is about a 3.5 mile trail up into the Golden Canyon. Can be accessed down from the Badwater Road or even up at Zabriskie Point. So we'll see what it looks like this morning. It's gorgeous and sunny out. You can see part of the mountains up there.
Snow.
And then, yeah, even over on the other side, there's actually snow up on those mountains. So it's a nice morning. We'll get out there and have a good time, and we'll take some pictures and let you see what Golden Canyon looks like. These are little S curves in between these. They look like sand dunes, but they're not sand. They're hard, firm rock or dried mud or whatever they are, but they're hard. All right, we're deep within Golden Canyon. We're heading down from the top towards the bottom trailhead. And we probably have less than a half a mile to go. Highly recommend you take this trip and go down this side and up the Gower Gulch side and counterclockwise. It seems to be a lot better. There's a steep climb if you do it clockwise, which we seem to avoid. There was a lot of people doing this thing clockwise that were puffing pretty hard heading up that part of the canyon. So anyway, this is a fun hike. We've enjoyed it. We got our 10,000 steps in already this morning, so we're well on our way to 20,000 today.